Welcome, I'm Emma, and this is a deep relaxation, dark moon nurturing yoga nidra practice, connecting to the soothing energy of the moon in her darkness when she retreats and is unseen, resting in Amrita of infinite space, unfolding in the shadow time. If any of my words don't work for you, please use your own wisdom and lean into that. To enter into this liminal space, please find a comfortable and safe place to practice. Take some time to set yourself up. You can decide if lying on your back, supported with cushions and blankets, feels like a yes today, or lying on your side, sitting in a chair. Take a couple of minutes to create and attend to your body as you rest into your yoga nidra nest. Settle in, snuggle in, maybe covering your eyes with a scarf or a mask, your body with a blanket. Feel held. And notice that your body is connected and supported by your space. And when you're ready, you might close down your eyes, cover your eyes with an eye mask, or simply take a soft gaze and become aware of breath gently moving in and out of your body. The movement of each breath changing the shape of your body as it weaves in and out. The rise on the inhale, belly, ribs, chest. And the softening on the exhale, chest, ribs, belly. Just rest your awareness without needing to change anything on the inhale, belly, ribs, chest. And the softening on the exhale, chest, ribs, belly. And then rest all your awareness on the exhale. Feel the exhale and invite a softening here. You might imagine you're breathing out through a straw. Purse your lips and let the breath slow a little for the next 3 exhales. The inhale happening naturally after the slower exhale. Feel the earth beneath you. Let the breath settle once again. Feel the edges of your physical body. Imagine yourself lying here and your body is held. Exhale. Feel each part of your body that's supported, contacting a surface. resting and held, as if the ground reaches up to meet you. Back of your head, shoulders, back of the pelvis, back of the legs, heels. And feel each part of you away from a surface where there's space. Open. Nose, eyes, forehead, chest, belly, front of the pelvis, front of the legs, perhaps behind the knees, perhaps under the lower back, perhaps behind the ankles. Feel the whole body held and free. Imagine your physical body merging with the atmosphere, your energy body creating a sphere of protection around your physical body. Your body dissolving, merging into earth, merging into atmosphere, the Amrita of space. In this place, we can call in an intention, heart's desire, sankalpa. And you may choose to use I rest in the resonance of peace, or anything else that comes now, a word, sentence, or feeling. And repeat 3 times. I rest in the resonance of peace, or your personal sankalpa. Breathing with the earth now. The earth's waters and surface move with the cycle of the moon. The moon creates another radiant sphere of protection around your body, nurturing the waters within your tissues, returning to your own circadian rhythm. You are now held in a sphere of your vital energy body and the moon's nurturing embrace. Notice a sense of space on the left side of your body, opening to space. Notice a sense of space on the right side of your body, opening to space. Open to this freedom of space, embracing your body. And listen for the most distant sounds that you can. Open to all sounds around you. Sounds coming from the left side. Sounds coming from the right side. Far away in the distance. Listen to each sound as a note. Can you feel or hear a rhythm in the sounds? Whatever the sounds might be, can you sense the resonance? reaching you through the air, through the sphere of moon energy, through the sphere of your energy, into your ears, left and right, into your brain, into your body. The sounds are far away in the distance, the sensation present within you, whatever the sounds may be. Letting the sounds become distant again, moving outwards through the sphere of your energy, the sphere of the moon's energy, letting them all disappear. Come back to the inhale and the exhale. Travel inwards, moving awareness through the body. Imagine, sense, or feel the moon in its dark phase, unseen and hidden, in retreat, in rest, moving currents of energy within your body, soothing and softening, cleansing and clearing. At each point you travel within, place the word peace. Begin at the throat, the soft hollow at the base of the neck, the dark moon, peace. The third eye, between the brows, peace. The forehead, hairline, left ear, earlobe, fold of the outer ear, spiral of the inner ear, tip of the ear, right ear, earlobe, folds of the outer ear, spiral of the inner ear, tip of the ear, back of the head, crown of the head, peace, back of the head held, peace, tip of the nose, space between the lip and nose, breath in the left nostril, the inhale, breath in the right nostril, the exhale, lower lip, space between lips and chin, tip of the chin, left jaw, right jaw, hinge of the jaws, temple of the left eye, temple of the right eye, both eyes resting like dark moon, peace, left cheek, right cheek, inside the mouth. Notice any moisture here, inside the left cheek, inside the right cheek, lower teeth and gums, upper teeth and gums, tongue, tip of the tongue, left side of the tongue, right side of the tongue, root of the tongue, hollow of the throat, heart center, peace, right side of the chest, left side of the chest, shoulder blades, sternum, throat center, third eye, peace, left shoulder, left elbow, left wrist, left back of the hand and palm, holding a dark moon. Peace. Tip of the thumb, tip of the ring finger joining. Peace. Right hand, back of the hand and palm, holding a dark moon. Peace. Tip of the thumb, tip of the ring finger joining. Peace. Both hands together. Peace. Right wrist, right elbow, right shoulder, whole spine, sacrum, pelvis, back and front, pubic bone. Peace. Left hip, left thigh, left knee, behind the knee, left ankle, left foot, tips of each toe. Peace. Right hip, right thigh, right knee, behind the knee, right ankle, right foot, tips of each toe. Peace. Both feet, the soles of both feet, the soles of both feet, pelvis, sacrum, heart space, hollow of the throat, third eye, crown of the head, crown of the head. Peace. Feel the whole body filled with a sense of peace, resonating inside and outside of your body, resonating with the frequency of rest. Feel held in moonlight. Bring your awareness to rest at the heart center. Peace. Breathing in, feel your body floating towards the moon. Breathing out, feel your body drawn downwards to earth. Your body floating towards the moon on the inhale. Your body drawn downwards towards earth on the exhale. Gravitational pull of moon and earth, nurturing your body. Inhale through left nostril. Exhale, right nostril. Inhale, left nostril. Exhale, right nostril. Feel the breath moving inwards on the left nostril. Feel, sense, or imagine the breath moving outwards through the right nostril. Inhale left. Exhale right. Inhale whole left side of the body. Exhale whole right side of the body. Inhale left, right brain alive. Exhale right, left brain resting. Inhale left, right brain alive. Exhale right, left brain resting. Inhale left, exhale right. And each time breath releases through the left nostril, imagine your body and mind releasing deeper layers of tension. Inhale left, exhale right, release deeper layers of tension. Now let the body breathe and breath moving in through both nostrils, gently and effortlessly. Experience the essence of being, simply resting. Repeat your sankalpa. I rest in the resonance of peace. I rest in the resonance of peace. I rest in the resonance of peace. See, sense or feel a crescent moon at the base of your spine, light returning after darkness and rest. As the next inhale arrives, feel the moon spiral upwards, around and within the spine, above the crown of your head. As the exhale follows, the moon draws downwards, descending the spiral stair, delivering nurturing energy to your entire body, each innovation alive, ascending and descending. Inhale and exhale, each innovation alive. And slowly begin to become aware of your breath. Remember your sankalpa once again. I rest in the resonance of peace. Remember where you are. Welcome yourself back into your body, rested in the dark phase of the moon. Notice how you feel. Notice how breath feels moving within and without of the body. When you're ready, you might turn onto your side and lie here, integrating this space of Yoga Nidra or a few breaths, a few minutes even. You might begin to gently move fingers and toes, stretch the body, move in whichever shape your body wishes to. Let your body return to life. Welcome yourself back. Bring any sense of peaceful rest with you. Maybe spend some time outside, if possible, under the dark skies, reflecting on what's being nurtured and unseen coming to life in your life. And remember, you are made of the same material as the stars and the planets, the trees, the rocks, the rivers, and the earth. You are an entire universe of possibility. You are Amrita. If you enjoyed this experience, you can find more on my channel. I'd love to see you there and to support your Yoga Nidra journey. You're also welcome to join the Sacred Seed community where we gather to practice live, have workshops, yoga and Yoga Nidra meditation, integrative practice. It's never too late to turn your life around. I also have the privilege to mentor on the transformational sleep program designed by Ali Boothroyd and Tina Kivenan, along with Kristen Rose Foster. And if you feel drawn to studying with us and exploring Yoga Nidra's beginnings from the yoga texts and many thousands of years of teachings, along with the most modern neuroscience, you can download an information package or book a call with me. All the information is below this recording. Thank you for being here. Thank you for practicing with me, and thank you for nurturing your body under the dark skies. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Peace, peace, peace.